to you all. It is that time of year again. That's right, the annual purge is once again upon us, and we all know what that means. For the next 12 hours, all crime, including murder, are illegal. Patriotic citizens take to the streets in record numbers to cleanse our nation of its less desirables. Your founding fathers recognize that not everyone chooses to hunt during the purge, so Universal Studios has created the annual Purge Party as a safe alternative to that.
It is the purge currently on. I do need to remind everyone that all crime, including murder, will be allowed for the next 12 hours. However, only weapons of class 4 or lower have been authorized for the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials, ranking 10 and tour guides have been granted immunity and cannot be harmed. Police, fire, and emergency will be unavailable until 7 a.m. But that means nothing for you guys because you guys are going to have some party, right? Have some fun. Coming live is our official party planner from Purge Party headquarters on the world-famous Universal backlot. Take it away, Jill.
Thank you for that fabulous introduction.
Oh, you're welcome.
Hello, everyone. My name is Jill St. Stevens, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to Universal's first annual Purge Party. You know, Universal Studios has long been a proud supporter of the Purge and our new founding fathers. Oh, I see some of you brought your children today. Fabulous. You're going to enjoy tonight. We have fabulous food, games, arts and crafts, and patriotic sing-alongs planned for you. Sounds a lot better than being locked up in the house all night with Mom and Dad, doesn't it? Fabulous. Now, before we begin, tour guide, can you give me your current location?
Oh, we're locked and loaded en route to the drop-off.
Fabulous. They're on their way. Oh, and one more thing. I hope they slaughter each and every last one of you. They're all yours. Fabulous.
Hello, filthy swine. I hate to be a party pooper, but there is no party. I'm sorry, we lied to you. Shame on we, and woe to thee. Because you see, tonight is about something else. Tonight is about purging the scum of our nation. Which, my unfortunate friends, you are. Because you run and hide rather than hunt. And so, hunted you shall be. You make a mockery of our blessed 28th Amendment and our glorious purge, and that shall not be. We have family and friends, good patriotic people, who are willing to pay good money for the right to purge you disgusting scum, whether it be in private in one of our luxurious kill rooms, or out in the open on the hunting grounds. And if by some manner you survive all that, you still won't get by Big Daddy and his men. That I can assure you. But now it's time to release the beast and let the purging commence. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government.
Well, sorry, ladies and gentlemen, you heard the man. This is the end of the line. If it's any consolation, though, you are sacrificing yourselves for a glorious cause, so be proud, stand tall, hold your head up high. Every kill counts. Long live the purge. All right, now get off by tram. Next group. Bye. Oh, you're welcome.
$200,000. Shall we make it 200? 200,000?
I know, man.
I love the smell of gasoline. Let's light her up.
How does it feel? Huh? Huh? You want some of this? Do you? Now, children, make sure you have a firm grip on the hands of your kill. Hold the knife only in one hand. You want to cut slow and steady.
Any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m.
And they just keep mad dogging you. Hey, Michael Jackson.